What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Last day, on Rosa's activity, Rosa's peer band posted on Instagram her beautiful photos on her birthday. Rosa's peer band was having a merit together with her mommy, auntie, and her BFF, Alibadi Ruth. Rosa's peer band received a warm, lovely message from her husband-to-be, Nadek, and the deck posted on Instagram their beautiful photo and captioned it, nearly 16 years ago that we have known each other since we shot our first drama together. The sincerity, pure love, care of this woman to everyone has never changed. The only thing that has changed is beauty because she is getting more beautiful every day. It's the luckiest to know each other and travel together until today, and it's been 31 years, and I wish you to be healthy throughout the year. The two mommies, Mommy Mikael and Mommy Maypla, commented on the Dex post and captioned it, "So sweet, happy birthday, Yaya. Wish you all the best," and gives a heart of emoji. Says Irban, like the post, and very happy on her birthday. Go.